Let's do the next question. A large square is made up of smaller white and gray squares. What does the large square look like if the colors of the white and the gray squares were interchanged? So let's look at these gray ones over here. Now, the gray ones interchanged means they're being switched between or replaced. The gray will become white and the white will become gray. So now if you look at that, these two boxes need to turn from gray to white. So let's look at these two boxes. Yes, they are turned from white. They're not turned to white. One is, one isn't. This is also a wrong option. Here, these two are. One is gray, one is white. This cannot be an option. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take another random block. Now, this green one needs to be changed from green to white. Top left corner needs to be white. This is white, but this isn't. So D is our final answer. Now, I know luckily the random blocks we picked were all changed and converted and we got the answer, but you can literally take any block, right? You don't have to take these ones. It can be anything, and you just need to see which options do have them interchanged correctly and which ones don't.